Welcome to Lash Like a Pro Mastery Program. My name is Karen Martiz. I am so excited to have you here. Listen, there couldn't be a better time in history for you to join the eyelash extensions industry. This industry has seen tremendous growth in the past 7 years and will continue to grow. It is a multi-million-dollar industry that you could easily be part of. Taking this program will give you the opportunity to change your life. Becoming successful in the beauty industry gives you the power to help women gain confidence with the services you provide, helping them look and feel more beautiful. I am more than happy to get you there. I have traveled the world taking eyelash extensions courses, and I am going to share my experience with you in order to expand your knowledge in preparation for being a part of this ever-growing industry. In this program, I am going to help you master the art of eyelash extensions. Whether you want to be your own boss or open up your own lash studio or work for a salon, I will help you reach your goal and show you how to become a successful lash artist.